Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. Today we're gonna jump into ICMIZER and we're gonna play yet another session of playing the push or fold spots on PokerStars Sunday Million, normal, regular tournament. And last time we've played the pre-final push spots, we got our ranking down to 3%. Which is nice, and now we're gonna focus on these final table spots once again to try and get these ranking numbers of call and push spots down to as low as possible. So let's jump right into it. We're gonna go first with call spots because this number is bigger than this one. Makes sense, right? So let's jump right into it. And first spot, we've got ace queen off, 11 BBs on the final table, facing UTG shove. We're around the average stack. And I think we cannot fold ace queen off here. Definitely not ace king. Pocket nines. I think we're also shoving, and jacks we're shoving. But let's see. Ooh. We are way off here. Should be just 3.5%. Pocket tens plus and ace king plus. So we should actually be folding ace queen off here and pocket nines on the middle position. Yeah, let's make sure to memorize this. UTG player's got 10 BBs. His range is 16%. Yeah, we need to be tighter here, guys. Since we've got all these players tucked behind us and since his range is so tight. Cool. Let's move on. Ace queen suited this time, 39 BB stack, middle position 1, again facing UTG open for 15 BBs. Do we reshove it with ace queen suited? We're getting tough spots. I think we are. With jacks as well. With knights we're not. And with ace queen off maybe we're not either. Well, I'm gonna go with ace queen off. Let's see what the range is. Okay, it's not. So let's take a look here. Yeah, ace queen off is not here, ace queen suited is, and jacks plus. So 3.3% range. Ace queen off is, just off the mark, but it is off the mark, and tens are also off the mark, and they are, almost very not that far off, right? Zero difference. Let's take a look here once again just to try and memorize this. And as you can see, the pusher's range is even tighter here. And I don't think in actual tournaments players would be pushing this tight here. I think they'll be pushing much wider. But yeah. Cool. Let's go to the next one. Ace 10 suited facing UTG open for 12 BBs. We're 7-handed. We're the biggest stack. Everyone else is around 10 to 13, and there's one 18 BB stacks. Do we get involved here with ace 10 suited? I don't think so. Maybe we should. I think we're gonna fold ace 10 suited. Gonna fold 8s. Gonna push ace jack suited and definitely push 10s. And let's see what the answers are. Okay, the answers are ace jack suited is not it. Should be reshoving 5.1%, 9s plus, ace queen off plus. Ace jack suited is a little bit off the mark, but not that far. Okay, I think with these call spots, we've got the biggest amount of leaks, because when I'm thinking about it, I tend to think that our range should be wider here, but it should not. So it's good that we're practicing them. Maybe we should focus more of our attention on these. So 6-handed UTG opens for 10 BBs, one super short stack. We're the biggest stack, but the differences aren't that big. Now on the cutoff here, do we fold ace queen off? I don't think we do. Or maybe we do because of this small stack. I'm gonna push it. Ace 10 suited, I'm gonna fold. Ace queen suited, I'm gonna push. And 10s, I'm gonna push. And let's see what the numbers say. And the numbers say we're on point. So we should reshove 9s plus here and ace queen off plus. So we made the right call here. And 9s we should also shove here. Cool. Three-handed, we're on the small blind, 7.2 BB stack. Button shoves the big stack. Now do we call with ace 4 off? I think we do. I think we call with any off suited ace. We call with all suited kings and all pocket pairs. And I couldn't be more wrong. We see the pusher's range is 86%, but that doesn't mean we should call so widely. We should not call with any offsuit ace. Only ace 8 plus, king 10 plus, suited ace 4 suited plus, king 9 suited plus, queen 10 suited plus, and 5s plus. So we are way too loose here with the calling. And we need to work on that. Yeah, 17%. Okay. Heads up, king 5 suited on 14 BBs. We're getting the tough ones. I think it's gonna be a push. King 8 off is gonna be a fold. Jack 10 suited is gonna be a push. And 10 9 suited is gonna be a push as well. And king 8 off should be a push also. And it's better than 10 9 or king 5 suited. And again, this is because, yeah, we're heads up. And his range is suited heavy. And he's shoving all these pocket pairs and these small suited hands. So it makes sense for us to have more offsuit kings here. And all suited kings, queen 6 plus, jack 8 suited plus. And 10 9 suited is actually the cutoff point. So 9 8 suited we would not be calling here. Okay, 38% we should call here. So king 8 off. Wait, what was that? King 5 off plus. Wow, this is very weird for me. King 5 off, king 6 off, king 7 off are all calls here. And queen 6. Okay. Let's move on. Pocket sevens facing UTG raise. We're 6-handed. There's another small stack like ours. Are we following here pocket sevens? I think we are. What about ace jack off? I think we are as well. Ace 10 off we are, and pocket eights we are. I think these are all folds. Yeah, it should be very tight here. 3.8% plus. So 10s plus, ace queen off, we're folding. Ace queen suited plus. Yeah. Yeah, we need to remember the fact that, you know, shoving, here we're shoving a lot, but we're calling or over calling with super tight ranges. And we know that pushers, you know, range is 22% here. Or at least should be. Let's see what the next one is. King jack suited on the small blind, facing a shove from the button. This is gonna be a fold. Is ace 10 suited? A call here. I think this may also be a fold. I want to call this, so I'm gonna call. Pocket sevens. Maybe they're the cutoff point and it's 8s plus. Let's see. Ace 8 suited. It's gonna be a fold. Let's see if we're too tight here. Okay, we're not. We're actually right on point. Should be 8% plus. So we were right about 8s as well. So ace 10 off plus and 8s plus are a call here. Great. Again on the small blind, but this time more players. 8.3 BBs is our stack. There's 4 players around the stack, 1 shorter, 2 bigger, and 1 medium size stack. Now, what's our range here? Let's think about this. I don't think we can fold ace jack suited here, or ace queen off. Ace 9 suited, yeah, I think this will be like ace 10 plus suited. And queen jack, we're gonna fold, of course, so. Let's see if that's correct. Okay, so ace 9 suited is actually a push, and we're a little bit looser here, or with our range is a little bit wider. It's ace 8 suited plus. It's actually king jack suited plus. I mean, I would call it king queen suited, but king jack suited I would probably fold. Ace 10 off plus and 6s plus. That's another well, weird thing for me, or something I unexpected thing for me, for my side. But yeah, good spot, another good learning spot, I would say. We've got 15 minutes, so let's do one last one. and then we will wrap up. Ace-10 off, three-handed, facing a button shove. I think ace-10 off is a push here. Sixes. Our six is a push here. I think they are. King 10 suited. As well. And ace 7 suited. Not sure, maybe we may be too loose here, and we are. So king 10 suited is not a shove, and ace 7 suited isn't either. Should be ace 8 suited plus, sixes plus, and ace 10 off plus. And this is because, you know, we can easily push these guys around with our big stack, and we should call them, you know, with 9.5% range, but yeah, we shouldn't lose her because it's better to push them around and shove widely versus them than to call and risk doubling one of them up. And this will be it. Yeah, let's quit the quiz and see. Yeah, we haven't improved that much, just by 4%, if I remember correctly. So it means I think the call spots will be our biggest leak on the final table. So hopefully we will spend the most amount of time here because we want to improve here. But still, next time I'm gonna do push spots on the final table just to also get this number down and see, you know, how our game here looks like, if we can get this number down like on the pre-final table we did or not. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I appreciate you being here. If you've stayed this long, please leave a comment, just write ICMIZER or ask any question you might have, and I will be happy to see you guys in the next one. Bye.